Let me see my routine first. Okay, I have English, math and science today. My textbook and notebook all here. I will take my pencil box and ID card. All done. Every Saturday, I trim my nails and I wash my hand before meals without being told. I also brush twice a day so my teeth stay clean and strong.
This plan need water every day, so I do it regularly. I give just the right amount and make sure not to overwater. Thank you.
I can make my own snack. First, I take 2 slices of bread, split butter, and paste them together. My table is such a mess. Now I'm gonna sit here and study. Now I will organize it. This is where the syllabus is gonna be at. And this is gonna be closer to. And now these notebooks are gonna be right next to the syllabus. And then the 2 books I have right here is gonna be right next to the notebooks, but a little close. And this is where the pen is gonna be. Now look, how beautiful is it? Now it feels so nice to sit here when everything is in its place.
Every morning, I brush my teeth and then comb my hair nicely. I think in the mirror, share it look nice before going to school. I read the instructions carefully and try to finish my homework. If I get stuck, I try a look in the books